In today's video, I'll show you how to connect databases in Notion, helping you streamline information and keep everything organized in one place. Start by opening Notion and navigating to the primary database you want to connect. Choose carefully, as this will impact how your data is organized and accessed. Next, in your database page, type /link to page and select link to page from the menu. This powerful shortcut lets you connect your database to any other page or database in Notion. A list of your existing databases will appear. Browse through and select the database you want to connect. Once linked, the connection will appear in your page as a clickable link. Clicking it takes you directly to the target database, making navigation seamless. Connecting databases is ideal for managing multiple projects or collaborating with teams. It reduces the need to jump back and forth between pages, creating a smooth workflow and centralizing your information. And that's it. With these simple steps, you've successfully connected databases in Notion, boosting productivity and organization across your workspace.